Hey, good morning. It's Brad with Bolo Pickers. Today is Friday. We're going to do a what sold video on eBay for yesterday. We had another good day. Wednesday was really good. I think we had 11 or 12 orders today. It looks like we have another 12 orders going out. So it's been pretty busy on eBay. Not quite sure why, but we have been listing a lot the last 3 days. We've put up probably, I don't know, over 100 listings in the last 3 days, and that's probably helping drive that. I know there's a lot of speculation on eBay's algorithm. The more you list, the more the algorithm picks you up and pushes you to the top. I understand that concept, and maybe it's working. I can't speak to it because I don't know. So all I know is the more you list, the more you sell, because you have more products available. So that is going to be one big reason why you start seeing sales. So we're going to get started here. If this is your first time on the channel, my name is Brad, and my wife Angela and I run a online business selling on Amazon, eBay, and Facebook, and we also own a bookstore, and that's what we're in the back of today. That's where we do all of our online storage and shipping and all that fun stuff. So we're going to get started. So let's turn you around. Actually, it was kind of like a zoom trick there on the camera. So there's our photo booth. It's a little dark back here. The video quality on that is probably a little funky, just because of the lighting. One of these days we may take care of that. So let's get started with our pulls. We do have one sold unpaid still. It's from a video we did the other day. It's called Banana Boat Deep Tanning Oil Spray, and they haven't paid yet. But outside of that, we've got, well, goodness, I probably should have pulled this up before I started recording. That's okay. Yeah, we have 11 orders to ship. So we had 11 orders come in yesterday. So let's get started. I've said that a few times already, haven't I? Okay. All right, we have an Cyclops. That's the name of it. Cyclops night vision goggles from Jack's Pacific. That's a hard word sometimes. So this is a toy. It's infrared stealth binoculars. They looked really cool. I was super excited to find them because the second I saw them, they're down here in tote 2. I'll show you guys what they look like. That's what they look like right here. They are binoculars. They're stealth. They're infrared. I tested these. I only paid $2 for them. I tested it and it does not work. So working, they're worth about $30 or $40 on eBay. Since this is untested, tested not working, I sold it for parts or not working for $10 plus the buyer paid shipping. So we're still going to make, 3 times our money on it, which is always good. But sometimes when you buy stuff, it doesn't work, and you've got to either sell it or donate it back, or got to get rid of it somehow, right? I prefer to do so by making a little bit of money. Next was a lot of 7 chai tea lattes. It's these boxes here. This was a return from Amazon, and as you can see, I'll show you, there's the Amazon label, and these are great value. We sold these on Amazon. They did really well for a little while, and then they stopped selling. These came back. Some of them expire or have already expired, and some of them are expiring in the next month or two. eBay, you can sell expired food. We've had no issues doing that. We sold that lot of 7 for $20, and then the buyer paid shipping. So all we're doing on that is getting some of our money back. And yeah, that's what we did to get some of our money back. All right, next is a DVD called Pigskin Parade. It sold for $5, and I believe the same buyer bought a second DVD. Yep, Walt Disney Presents Toby Tyler. I'm going to pull both of these. This is the one buyer, and they paid $7 for that. So it's $12 free shipping. And let me see if I can find these. Yeah, let's see if they're down in here. It should be, unless I put them in a different spot. You know what? I didn't even check the spot, guys. That's dumb. I just assumed they're in one spot. that we were putting some of the other DVDs. So let's see. I was already in the listing once. I probably could have looked at it. It is BSBX70 for one of them, which I know where that's at. And the other one is BS2D5. So right in front of my face, Toby Tyler, right there. This is a sealed DVD. So we're gonna put that there, and then box BSBX70 is literally in the hardest spot to reach right now because we've got all kinds of stuff down in here. Let's pull those out. And Pigskin Parade, which was used. So $5 for Pigskin Parade, and that's it right there. And then we had the $7 for that. Shipping that, it's still probably going to be under £1 on the DVDs, which means we're going to pay $2.80 to ship it, and that means we made some pretty decent money. Those came in free through our bookstore, so we didn't pay for those at all. So no cost of goods on those, which is great. Always a good profit margin when that happens. Here's one of my favorite items I've sold recently. It's in tote 1, which is over here. This I paid, I want to say, no more than $5. No more than $5, but probably in the $3 to $4 range. It's a vintage Scooby-Doo projector light, and it works. The projector does like a smiley face or something like that. It was real weird. But like I said, we paid $5 or less for that, and when I researched it, there was one sold for $35. So I listed it at $40 plus shipping. They had it at $35 with free shipping, but I got an offer of $30 plus ship, and I took it. So definitely a good flip there. Here's another item that came back from Amazon. It is in DD1, which is right in front of me. This is something we bought at Walmart, sent it into Amazon. There's the Amazon label. It was getting ready to expire, I believe. Let's see, where is the expiration date? Oh, yeah, March 7th. So it came back, and we paid originally for this, I think, like $7 or $8 because they were clearancing them out, and as the fall ended, and we sold that coffee box there for $19 plus free shipping. It's probably gonna cost us $6 or $7 to send out, but you know, like I said, just recouping some of our money from that. Here's another item that came back from Amazon, and it was because the customer received it damaged. If you sell on Amazon, you'll know that you'll get some of these back. This is a Marvel Legends Captain America. It's a Walmart exclusive, sold for $25 plus shipping, even in terrible condition. Look at this condition. It's torn there. It's all beat up down there. You can see where we pulled the label off. Sold for $25 plus shipping because it is a highly sought after toy, and the new ones on Amazon were going between $40 and $50. So it's nice to get our money back and make a little bit of profit on that one. The next item is an item that we had sold. Oh man, we sold this like 4 days ago, and they just finally paid last night. This is an Ultra Pro 9-pocket sport trading card holder, and it's in BS2B2, which is right here in front of me, and we paid I want to say 69 cents for this, maybe 99 cents at the most at Goodwill, and sold for $11 with free ship. It's going to go first class, cost us about $3, so a nice little profit there. Anytime you see anything new in package, it's worth taking a look at to see if it will sell on eBay or Amazon. Alright, Adobe Photoshop Costco edition. Sold for $33 plus free shipping, and this is in BS1C1, which says it should be right here, but that does not look right. I'm guessing it's in BS2C1, which it is. We typed it in wrong. This is Adobe Photoshop Elements 14 Costco Special Edition. Sold for $33, free shipping. We'll send that first class in a bubble mailer. And it has a Windows and Mac DVD in there. That we paid $2.99 for at a thrift store. I think it's called Thrifty Threads. And yeah, it was I think it was $2.95 actually. We had another DVD sale. This is an H3. This sold for $3 plus shipping, so the buyer's paying the shipping. This was a free DVD, so we're going to make that $3 minus our fees. And we sold the other one. I think we had 4 of them, and we've sold 2 of them already. It's called Two of a Kind. Actually, I think we sold 3 of them because there's, yeah. Actually, I think I already pre-packaged this. Let's look, guys. Maybe they just paid. Because there's the banana boat. There it is right there. It's already packaged for me. Head of the game. Head of the game on that one. So yeah, we've sold 2 of the 4. So that will go out in that bubble mailer that you saw. And we had this item come in. Well, let's do this one first. We have a mixed lot of DVDs. Again, our DVDs come in. They don't cost us anything. They're free. We've been listing them in lots. We listed a mixed lot of 13 DVDs. There was Tom and Jerry, Looney Tunes, the Jetsons, the Smurfs, stuff like that. And when these came in, somebody just donated them to the store, and we sold the lot of 13 for $12.49, and the buyer paid shipping. So we made just under $1 per DVD. And the fun thing is DD1 I think is down here in front of me. I've probably already said, no, that's H3. Is this it? Oh, it's right here. It's right here in front of us. So it's this right here. It's this big lot right here. And as you can see, it's like Yogi Bear, Looney Tunes, Bugs Bunny. It's kind of the classic cartoons. So there's that. And then we have one other item that sold that hasn't paid. Welcome to the club. Welcome to eBay for that. And it is a large lot of Nerf and Strike items. So it's in tote 1 here. This sold for $30. Buyer paid shipping. We've had quite a few lowball offers on this, but finally somebody gave me an offer close. I think we had it listed at $35. But as you can see, when I set this down somewhere where we can see it, as you can see, it's Nerf clips. There's a Nerf Drum in there. There's a bunch of Nerf darts. There's 2 big bags of them. I think it was like 5 pounds of Nerf darts or something. But they paid $30 plus shipping. I think we probably have $12 in that. So not a great flip. I was a little disappointed in the pricing once I got it back. I did do some research. I just thought we'd be able to get a little bit more with these being added in. But we made money on it, so I'm not going to be too upset with the deal. And you know, sometimes eBay is about learning what sells, what doesn't sell. You never really know until you test, but it's always good to do your comps, because if you're not testing it like with what's sold, what's completed, how many are selling a day. Our mission is to put up the fastest selling items, obviously with the most profit, but we want them to move really quick. So we have, I want to say 400 and something listings right now, and we were averaging 5 to 7 days a sale, 5 to 7 sales a day. Now we're getting up to where it's starting to average in the double digits, which is great, but that's because they're fast moving items. We don't buy a whole lot of long tail stuff. We do have that stuff in stock. It does sell every once in a while. And one thing that we probably need to do better is send more offers out. I think we have the opportunity on the 400 and something listings we have to send out to interested buyers. I think it's like 210 or something like that, which means somebody's been looking at our listing. Who knows? But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap up the video today. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every view and every subscriber we get. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, click on the subscribe button. It should be around here somewhere, and then we'll have the videos, other videos you can click on as well to check out what's selling on eBay. So we'll probably see you guys on Monday. We'll let the sales build up over the weekend, and we hope you guys get out there, find some good thrifts, and keep selling.